Hey everyone, this is Akhil from Installer and today we have the Lenovo A6 Note smartphone with us. It's a budget smartphone from Lenovo and it has been just launched in India today. So let's check it out and see what all does it have to offer. So here we have the retail unit of the Lenovo A6 Note smartphone with us. So let's quickly unbox it and see what all does it have to offer. The first thing inside the box, we have the Lenovo A6 Note smartphone itself, and this variant that we have with us is the black Panther color variant. The back of the device is quite shiny and it looks really great to hold in hand. But the back of the device also captures a lot of fingerprint. It's a fingerprint magnet as it has a glossy finish instead of having a matte finish. Next, inside the box we have a transparent silicone case included inside the box, and it's always great to have a transparent case or any kind of case included inside the box by the OEM. Next, we have some user manual and a quick start guide. Next, we have a power adapter to charge the device. This is a standard wall adapter that's rated at 10 watts, and it's a pretty standard wall adapter that can charge the device at a standard speed. Next, we have a micro USB cable to charge the device. So that's all we have inside the box of the Lenovo A6 Note smartphone. So let's quickly check out the device and see what all features does it have to offer. So the Lenovo A6 Note features a 6.09 inches HD display. It's a 720p display, it's an IPS panel and has a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The device is powered by a MediaTek Helio P22 processor. It's an octa-core processor that's clocked at 2.0 GHz. And there's also a Power VR GPU as well. It's a moderate GPU and can handle quite some gaming at some extent. And this device that we have has a 32 GB of internal storage and 3 GB of RAM. In terms of software, the Lenovo A6 Note features a custom skin from Lenovo that looks quite like the stock Android experience but has a lot many bloatware quite pre-installed on the device, which can be removed, and once removed it's a completely stock Android with not much customization by the OEM. In terms of camera, the device features a dual rear camera setup where the primary sensor is a 13 megapixel f2.0 aperture camera, and there's also a secondary 2 megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture which can capture perfect bokeh shots, and it's also capable of recording 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. So the camera app is pretty simple. It offers a lot many features such as there's a normal photo mode, there's a beauty mode which can enhance the beauty of the product or the face, there's a bokeh mode that can capture a bokeh shot, and there's also a video mode that can capture 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. There are also a lot many modes such as there's a panorama mode, there's a watermark mode, there's a time-lapse mode that can capture time-lapse videos, and there's a beauty video mode as well. At the front, we have a single front-facing camera. It's a 5 megapixel camera and has a lot many built-in features and can capture a lot many good selfies in bright daylight conditions. In terms of biometric unlocking features of the device does not have a face unlock capability, and the only way to unlock the device is through the fingerprint sensor on the rear. The fingerprint sensor is located at a perfect location and unlocks the device at a pretty fast speed. Also, the device features triple SIM card slot where the two slots can be used to house SIM cards, where there's another dedicated micro SD card slot as well. So the Lenovo A6 Note is another budget device from Lenovo, and they're trying to capture the budget segment with this device. The device would be priced around 6 to 7,000 Indian rupees, but the actual pricing is not yet known at the time of making of this video, and we'll keep you updated about the exact pricing and details of the device. Till then, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more such videos like this.